Start making money online today doing absolutely nothing. Welcome back to another great online money making video right here at Nonstop Money TV. And today I'm going to be sharing with you exactly how you can start earning free PayPal money and Amazon gift cards literally for doing absolutely nothing at all. This works worldwide with 2 different legitimate applications. You guys are absolutely going to love this. Make sure that you stick with me through this entire video because I'm also going to be sharing with you in this video today the exact system that I'm using and give you access to my mentor that has taught me how to earn up to $10,000 a week, you guys, literally making money online, passive income, completely on autopilot. If that sounds appealing to you and you want to work from home and start your very own online business, then this is the video for you. So without further ado, let's get straight into this video. Start making money today, literally for doing absolutely nothing, you guys. Check this out. This application right over here with the coins flying into it. Yes, you can make money literally for doing absolutely nothing with this application. We're going to be talking about 2 of them today. They pay out Amazon gift cards, free PayPal cash, and all kinds of other great rewards. Make sure that you drop me a comment if you like this video. I always appreciate the comments. Make sure that you drop me a like as well because I always appreciate the likes. And make sure that you share this video with your friends and your family so that they can start earning free cash for doing absolutely nothing as well. I want to get the word out to as many folks as possible. So let's see how many people you can share this video with. You guys, I absolutely appreciate that because it really means the world to me to help you make the most money possible. So the name of this application and the website that we're on right now is cashmagnetapp.com. Now, this first one that we're looking at right here works only with Android. That's one thing that you need to know. It only works with Android. But this next application works on all of your devices as long as you have the Chrome internet browser installed. All you have to do is install an extension. And we're going to get to that in just a moment here. Now, as you can see, Cash Magnet right here, literally all you're going to do is install this application. You're going to get money from your Android phone. We pay for every minute of time when you do nothing. So you literally install the application, let it run. It's going to start earning you money in the background. I'm going to show you here in just a moment. You can earn another free phone in literally 2 months and start to double the amount of money that you're earning. You can have up to 4 devices per internet connection. So if you're doing this if you're connecting at home to like a Wi-Fi router, you can have up to 4 devices doing this, you guys. So you can actually quadruple the amount of money that you're making. The more devices that you have that run Android, the better. And make sure that you stick with me through this entire video, you guys, because I have some tips and tricks that are going to help you make the most money possible, just like the one I shared with you just now. A lot of people are only running 1 phone and they're missing out on 3 times the amount of money that they could be making with this one single application right here. So you're going to get signed up right here. Click sign up. They're going to ask for your name, your email address. It takes, literally 30 seconds to a minute to get signed up. Download the application and start earning your first dollars online, literally with Cash Magnet right here. We're at cashmagnetapp.com. Let's go a little bit further down the page here. I want to show you just a few things. They have the largest payments because Cash Magnet unites all the best reward programs in one place. So there's all kinds of great reward programs, and this application is going to go out there and do them all for you, running in the background, making you money, literally making you passive income while you are sleeping. So you literally do nothing at all. You don't need to perform any tasks, watch any ads, play any games. Earnings will come in absolutely autonomous and in passive mode. As you can see, this guy's hanging out, he's sleeping, and money is just falling into his phone, you guys. He's even reading the paper over here. So this is the kind of, occupation that many people dream about. I do want to say one thing about this, right? Don't expect that you're going to install Cash Magnet and become filthy rich. It's just not going to happen. But what I am telling you in this video is I'm going to provide you a solution, an actual real business plan that can help you do this, where you earn passive money. I'm going to show you in this video and give you access to my mentor, a complete system that you can implement and start earning up to $10,000 a month, you guys, if you're interested in that. So stick with me, like I said, through this entire video. But as you can see, they say right here on their website that that you can prepare to earn several times more, only 2 months of working with Cash Magnet app, and you can buy another phone that works for you around the clock. That is how thousands of satisfied users are doing this. And then it's just really that simple, you guys. They absolutely guarantee. Now, I know everyone's concerned about privacy and stuff like that as well. And as you can see right here, it's absolutely free. They guarantee your data and personal settings will not be used in any way. So that means a lot to me. I always want my information to be protected, right? And as you can see right down here on the bottom, they pay out in PayPal Cash, Amazon gift cards, Google Play Store, iTunes, PlayStation, and Xbox for all you gamers out there. Start earning free games and stuff like that. All the stuff that you can buy in those marketplaces, you can earn right here on Cash Magnet just for running this application. And the more devices that you install this on, the more money that you're going to make. And if you don't have another device, in 2 months' time, you could have a brand new phone that you could be installing this on that one as well. Now, if you have more questions about how this works and you want more detail, they have a great frequently asked questions section. As you can see right here, they answer all of your questions right down here at the bottom. You just click on these little plus signs right here. They're going to pop open and they give you detail of exactly how this works if any of this doesn't make sense to you. But a very, very simple, easy way to get paid for literally for doing nothing at all, you guys. Now we're going to jump over to this next website, and this one is really, really cool because this one literally pays you for doing things that you're doing every single day anyways, and that's spending a bunch of time on social media. And we're going to review these 5 different websites that if you're spending a bunch of time on, you could be getting paid literally for doing things that you're doing already anyways, so you might as well do it. So let's jump over there. I want to show you this. This one is called UpVoice. So we're at joinupvoice.com. And when you come here, the first thing that you're going to notice right up here is all these gift cards, right? So they have Amazon gift cards, Nike, Best Buy, Walmart gift cards, Visa gift cards, Adidas, Uber, and you can see the list goes on. There's just tons of them on this website. But the first thing I want you to notice, other than the gift cards, is that you're going to get paid for your time while you spend it on, and it's these participating websites right here. Give me one moment. Facebook, can you guys see this? Let me make sure this is not in the way. Participating websites, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, LinkedIn, and Amazon, you guys. Now, I know at least, actually all of those except for LinkedIn. I don't spend any time on LinkedIn. But all of those websites right there, I spend a ton of time on. And now you can get paid literally for the time that you're spending on there. All you have to do, this is how it works right here, you guys. This is how simple this is. Let me move this out of the way so we can see this. How it works right here. You're literally just going to install the Chrome extension, and then it won't have any impact on your browser performance. You're not going to notice any lag or anything like that. Simply the extension is going to be up in the corner. You won't notice it, and you're going to start earning points that you can cash out for all those great gift cards that we see right there. So you're going to browse just like you regularly would, your regular activity every single day. No special tasks or anything like that you have to do. You simply just install the extension and then browse as you normally would every single day, and you're going to start earning points in the background when you browse through the participating websites, which is the 5 that we just talked about. And it works anonymously and captures ads and gives you daily points that you can later redeem for a variety of gift cards, you guys. Stupid simple right here. Everybody should be doing this. There's no reason that you should not be doing this, you guys, if you want to earn free cash literally for doing absolutely nothing. And the best part is you're not spending it on, things that you don't want to do. You're not doing surveys. You're not having to watch any stupid videos. You're literally just doing things that you would do all day, every single day anyways. And then they just go into a little bit more detail on this website right here as to how it kind of works and how they do their selection of people. But very, very cool stuff right here. As you can see, some of the users and what they're saying right here. Billy Lucas, earning money for nothing. Literally, who wouldn't want to add the extension? Seriously, get paid to visit sites you already do daily anyhow. Honestly, you would be crazy not to add this extension. Shelly Perry right here just says you get paid just for having the extension and visiting websites you go to every day anyway. With so many scams out there, it is awesome to find something that does what it says. You guys, this is legit. It's not a scam. It's 100% real. Come check out what these users are saying about this. It really is this simple to start making money online and do nothing at all. Now, once you start earning rewards literally for doing the things that you're doing already and collecting your points, this is what you can cash this out for, you guys. Check this out right here. You can cash it out for e-gift cards such as Amazon gift cards, prepaid Visa, Uber, Adidas, AMC Theaters, eBay, Banana Republic, Best Buy, GameStop, Burger King, iTunes, Google Play, Spotify, Nike, Sephora, Target, and even more than that. You can check them out here. They give you a link to the actual website that you can choose all these different gift cards from. So there's even more than that. So install these 2 different applications and literally start making money online today, 100% free, doing absolutely nothing. There's not another video like the one you're watching right now that's legit, that's going to teach you how to make money online for doing nothing at all. So make sure that you crush that thumbs up, you guys. Make sure that you dropped me a comment, and make sure that you share this with all your friends and your family. Now, if you have any more questions about UpVoice, I want to point you to the frequently asked questions tab, which is what we were looking at just now. You can click right up here where it says FAQ, and it will bring you over to this page right here. And as you can see, they have a ton of questions that they answer right here on this page. So if you have any questions at all, you can get it answered right here on this page, because I don't want to make this video too long. Now, I wanted to share something really special with you in this video, you guys. It was really important to me. Sorry, I got stuff going everywhere. What I want to share with you that's the most important, that is very dear and true to my heart, because I want you to understand something really quickly here, is that I spent a ton of time, 15 years time, since I was 15 years old, you guys, trying all kinds of crazy different businesses and wasting my time, my money, and just failing over and over again. But I never gave up. And that's the most important thing. One thing that I want to share with you, just never give up. What you need to find is a winning solution, something that works, information from an expert that's honest and has integrity and is willing to show you their business model that you can actually, just copy step by step, and just, basically do the exact same thing that they're doing. That's exactly what I did. If you want the model to success, you just find a winning recipe. And that's what I was doing. About a year ago, I just got completely fed up with, the system. I got tired of punching a time clock and making somebody else rich. I wanted time back on my side. I wanted time with my family. I want to be able to spend time with my kids, my spouse. I want to go on, nice vacations. I want to be able to work from anywhere in the world. And, if that's something that you want to do, I believe in you. I want to say one thing right now. I absolutely believe that you can do this. All you need to do is believe in yourself and find the winning recipe, a recipe to success, you guys, where you can work from home and anywhere in the world. If that sounds appealing to you, and you want to do the exact same thing that I did about a year ago today, and start making some serious money online, passive income on autopilot while you sleep, way more money than these two different applications that we're talking about right now. Because realize this, those two apps, they will pay you, you'll make money, but you're not going to get rich doing that, right? It's a great little side hustle to make some extra cash. If you want to get rich and you want to break free from everything that you're stuck in, just do me one favor right now. I want you to close your eyes, and I want you to think about everything that you're unhappy about. A lot of people, they might not have a job right now. There's crazy stuff going on in the world, but maybe you do have a job. Maybe you're just miserable in your job, and you're going to work every day, working hard to make somebody else, filthy rich. It's time that you invest in yourself. That's the best thing that you can do, is invest in yourself, you guys. And I want you to understand those pain points, because that's your motivation right there. 99% of the people that succeed are the ones that take action, the ones that get the right information and they take action immediately. They don't procrastinate. They do it right now. Get the information, do it right now. Don't wait. So if you're ready and you're ready to start making money online, you guys, this is the most important part of this video. I've left a link down in the top of the description. It's my #1 recommendation to make money online. I have tons of great videos on this channel, so make sure you're subscribed first and foremost, you guys. And make sure that you've hit that bell notification, because that's extremely important, because I'm coming out with videos all the time about how to make money online. But if you're serious today and you're someone that literally wants to break free from the rat race and create your dream life, then this is it. It's in the top of the description, my #1 recommendation, you guys. I want to keep ranting on about this, but I'm just looking for serious individuals that are ready to get started. I have a whole team of experts that are ready to take you by the hand and show you step by step exactly what you need to do to create your dreams. So that's all I have for you in this video today. I hope you are doing well, and thank you for watching this video. Make sure if you dropped me a comment, make sure that you dropped me a like, and I will see you on the next one. Peace.